Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning for Puan Aziza and my fellow friends. So this is our SES Task 2 digital product. So the title we get is the universe. So welcome to our site. So our teammate is Mimi and Fatima, and we cover science year 6, which is unit 11 galaxy, and the content standard is 11.1, the Milky Way galaxy, and the learning standard is people are able to state the meaning of galaxy, describe the Milky Way galaxy, summarize that the solar system is in the Milky Way galaxy, and lastly carry out simulation to show the size of the solar system in the Milky Way and amaze with God's creation. So this is us, the biodata, which is I am Nurshami Mimetel Sharif from Mathematics 1 and my friends, Hima.
And I am Fatima Azahra binti Muhammad Mahdi, also from Maths 1.
Okay. So in under here, we have the material, which is we can click one by one, and when we click the point here, we can go straight to the material. So for example, like definition. Okay, this is Fatima point.
Okay, so the definition is we are talking about all the topic under the universe that we have taken, which is the first one, the galaxy, and then we show the 3 types of galaxy, which is spiral shaped galaxy, elliptical shaped galaxy, and also irregular shaped galaxy that are included in the year 6 textbook of science. Okay, next, and the number 2 is nebula, and the number 3 is stars, and the last one is the constellation, which is also included in science textbook, but in year 5 or year 3, if I am not mistaken. Constellation in Malay is called buruj. So in science primary year school, they learn about 4 types of constellation, which is the Big Dipper, or we call it buruj biduk. The second one is Southern Cross, which is buruj pari. Next is Orion, buruj belantik, and the last one is Scorpion, which is buruj Scorpio. And I also included a mind map in case the students or the people want to reflect on their learning or take a note after this learning lesson. Okay, next. Oh, and in addition, to increase their understanding about this the galaxy in year 6, I also included a link embedded from the YouTube talking deeper about the Milky Way in the universe. Shamimi, can you scroll down a bit? We should talk about the Milky Way. And the last one, scroll a bit more. I also included from the Cikgu Safwan about Lagu Galaxy, which can help their remembering and memorizing the things about the galaxy. That's all from me.
Okay, so for the next one, we got 3D model, which is it is a website that show for galaxy, nebula, stars, and constellation in a website. So I prepare 3 websites, which is the first one is here. So we can look at the stars, galaxy, nebula, and the other planets. Example like here, we can know the type of nebula and the picture of it. And for the next website, we got the stellarium, which is the planet. And the last one is the Sky Life website, which is we can see the stars and the Milky Way in the website, which is we can look in a deeper and 3D way. And the last one, we also prepare a storybook, which is I also prepared two, which is one is Cosmic Adventure Storybook, which is we have to copy paste this link. Okay, let me copy first. And then just paste for the new one. So this storybook we can play in here. I have to click the stars. So it's include the quiz, the story in a one website. So for the stars, we have to click and it will light. It will glow in the dark. Also have this constellation, which is we have to connect the dot to create the pattern, and we can discover the teacher and also student can discover themselves. And last one, the last page have quiz time, which is the student can answering this quiz, this question, and the teachers can evaluate their understanding in the universe topic. And the last and one more storybook, we have a storybook and an audio of the storybook. Let me open it. So in this storybook, we have the audio, the picture, and the storyline.
Narrator reads with a warm, cozy tone. In a room where the walls were made of thumb-pressed blue clay and the bookshelves.
So we can discover using this website. And this two story is about universe, which is our topic. And I hope we can discover this website together and use the material nicely. Thank you.